how to transfer DOGE from Bitget to Bybit wallet. Now, first of all, head over to wallet icon. Now after that, click on Assets Overview. And now from here, click on Spots. And now go here and click on Withdrawal. Now from here, make sure to select DOGE, as you can see. After you select it, as you can see, this is our network. So now go to Bybit wallet to be able to get the withdrawal address. Now after that, scroll down until you find your coin. So this is the DOGE. And now to get the wallet address, just go and click on Receive. And now copy the address, as you can see. After you copy it, now go here and now paste it here. So as you can see, click on Next. So as you can see, they said that it is a valid address or invalid address. So because at this moment you can't transfer DOGE from Bitget to Bybit wallet. So to be able to transfer it, so for example, if you have an enough balance on your Bitget, like $1,000 on your Bitget, and you want to transfer it to Bybit wallet, now the only solution on this time is by going to convert this DOGE to like USDT, because USDT, it's easy to transfer it from Bitget to Bybit wallet. So how to do that? Just go here to trade and click on convert. Now we will convert the DOGE to USDT. Now from here, select your coin. For this, it will be DOGE, as you can see. Now after you select it, go here and now select here the USDT that you want to transfer to. Now here, enter how much you want like to convert, as you can see. Now after you click on preview, this is how much you will receive by USDT. So after you convert the DOGE to USDT and you have enough balance on USDT, now you will be able to transfer those tokens to Bybit wallet. Now go and head over to wallet icon and click on Assets Overview. Now after that, click on Spot and now go here and click on Withdrawal. Now as you can see, make sure to select USDT and now select on chain and now select the network. Make sure to select it the BIP20 because you don't have to pay any fees. Now go to Bybit wallet to get the withdrawal address. Now how to do that? Just go scroll down to find the USDT. Now click on the receive and now copy the address. Now go back to Bitget and now paste the USDT or the withdrawal address of USDT. Now click on next. Now after that, as you can see, enter how much you convert from DOGE to USDT. As you can see, like this amount, and as you can see, the fee is 0, as you can see, and this is how much you will receive on Bybit wallet. So if you are ready to go, just click on withdrawal and you will be able to complete this order and you will be able to transfer DOGE after you convert it to USDT from Bitget to Bybit wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.